There are many steps in applying for United States citizenship. This video will go into detail on those steps.
The first of these steps is to find out whether or not you are eligible to become a U.S. citizen. This brings about the question of whether or not you have a valid U.S. green card, which indicates that you have a lawful permanent residence in this country. Almost without exception, you must obtain a green card before you become eligible to apply for citizenship. As a lawful permanent resident, you must meet additional requirements in order to be eligible for U.S. citizenship. These concern the length of time you spent in the U.S. as a green card holder, your good moral character, your ability to pass a test in English and on U.S. history and government, and a few others. It's likely there will be some barriers blocking your eligibility. Perhaps you can't show good moral character because you committed a minor crime, though not major enough to make you deportable, or perhaps you broke the continuity of your residence by spending too long outside of the United States. It may be that simply waiting longer will make you eligible for citizenship, or you may need to take other steps to make you eligible. Once you've become eligible to apply for citizenship, it's advised that you continue with the process immediately. Congratulations, you're eligible. Next, you need to file your USCIS Form N-400. Now that you've established your eligibility, there's some paperwork with the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services that needs to be filed. One of these pieces of paperwork is called the N-400. This is the form to get the process started. As of 2017, it costs $640 to file the application for naturalization, plus an $85 biometrics fee. You will need to attach a copy of your green card. Once your application's been accepted, you will be mailed a date for your fingerprinting and biometrics.
After your fingerprinting, you should receive an appointment date and address for an interview with a UCSIC officer. During this interview, the officer will go through your N-400 and confirm your answers to all the questions. The USCIS, or United States Customs and Immigration Services, will send you a list of documents to bring to your interview, but it may not ask for every one of them, but it is best to be over-prepared. These include such things as your green card and other forms of photo identification, and all passports and travel documents. The USCIS officer will ask you some general questions regarding topics such as your background or other information on your N-400. If you are approved at or soon after your interview, congratulations, but you are not a citizen quite yet. You will be called in for a large public ceremony at which you and others will be given the oath, in which you will swear loyalty to the United States. Then, you will be given a certificate of naturalization showing that you are a U.S. citizen.